This video is based on the topic easiest way to make a perfect intro. So let's get started. First open panzoid.com in your web browser. Swipe down and click on More Creations. Now choose your favorite video, or you can also use the search option for finding your desired one. For sample, I am just proceeding with the first one. After reaching here, click on Open in ClickMaker. After coming to this page, you can easily edit this video. There are lots of options, but for now I am just changing the name. This option is available in the fourth section, Objects. Now under the group text, change the name. For watching the preview, click here on the I button and then click on play. After all, for downloading your project, go to Download option. Here also you can select your desired mode and format. At last, click on Start Video Render and give the permission to store files. After the rendering process, download your video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If not, then click the dislike button. Comment your queries and subscribe us for more. Thank you.
Go.